Hey you guys, it's Toy Collector, and today we have the Nickelodeon Slime Kit. It includes everything you need, from white glue to activator to mixing bowls. It also has glitter, paint, which you can use to color your slime, and it comes with much, much more. So let's open it up. Alright you guys, so I think I was going to start with my party slime. So it calls for 15 milliliters of glue, so let's put that in. This does take a while because you have to get everything out. So I'm going to get all the clear glue out, and then I'll show you guys what I do next. Alright guys, so next I called for 30 milliliters of water, which I have in right here. It looks a little bubbly because of the glue we just put in. So I'm going to pour a little bit at a time because you don't want to overdo it. So I think I'm going to mix it now. Alright you guys, so I added in my water and I mixed it up. Now we have to use our slime activator. So let's open it up. And I'm going to put a drop in to start with. I'm going to keep adding some in. Alright guys, once it starts clumping up, I would recommend adding in your glitter. This is the glitter that I'm using. I got a bunch. It's like really nice. I'm going to use all of it. Like glitter. Okay, I'm going to mix it in. Alright guys, so I made it and it's like in a big clump. So I gotta take it out. Oh, popsicle stick is sticking to it. So it's really messy, as you can see. My hands are all glittery from it. So it's kind of sticky, but I think that is because I did not use enough activator. That may be my reason. But it's getting better now. This is the aftermath of the bowl. It's a really big mess because there's a bunch of glitter everywhere. But I think this turned out like a good slime. Perfect. So let's move on to our next slime. Alright guys, so next up I decided I'm going to make crunchy slime. So I got my glue here. I'm just going to pour out nicely. Alright you guys, so I added in the white glue. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of water. In this I have about 30 milliliters. So I'm going to add in a little bit at a time. So you guys may not be able to see it, but it's right there. And next we need the slime activator. This looks really, really good. Alright you guys, so I made that slime. It does have a few little things of glitter. But next up, we're going to add this in. This is going to be a cloud slime, but it's going to be crunchy, so really fun. So I got to get a bunch of different foam balls. This is going to be good. So I'm going to get them all in here, and I'm going to see how it ends up. Alright you guys, so I put all my foam beads in here, and it is like now really, really good. You guys might need to make sure that it is sticky before you put the foam beads in, because if it's not, the foam beads will not stick in. So this is a really good crunchy slime. I think you should make this crunchy slime, even if you guys don't have the Nickelodeon slime kit, you guys should make crunchy slime. Because the activator is just contact solution, and you just need baking powder next. Alright guys, so next we're going to make the scented. I'm going to pour in all my glue because the scented is going to be so pretty. I think I'm going to do the blue scented. Not all of them are scented, just certain ones, and I think the blue is, so I'm going to try that one. Alright guys, so next I'm going to add in a little bit of water. That looks like it should be enough water. Alright you guys, so next I'm going to add in my blue coloring. It is just from right here. Ooh, it looks like it's making the slime actually clump up and start to turn into slime. That's really good. Alright guys, so next up I gotta add in my slime activator. I'm only gonna add in a drop because it is starting to actually clump up. It's really nice. Alright guys, so I had to end up adding in one more drop of activator because it was not as good as I wanted it to be. But this is my slime. I think it's a really good slime. Alright guys, so I added in the 15 milliliters of glue, and if you guys were wondering what the blue one was scented, it was scented blueberry. It smells so good. So I added in the 15 milliliters, and now I'm just going to add in some water. I think next up, I'm going to make the silly one. Alright guys, so now it is time to add in some of the coloring. I'm going to add in a bunch of the orange because I want it to be a really, really dark neon orange. Alright guys, so next up I have to add in my activator. And of course this one is clumping up just like the blue one did. Alright guys, so I did take off a little piece of this so I could make my neon slime, but this part is gonna be my silly slime. So I'm gonna add in all of the googly eyes. So it's really, really silly. There we go. That is it. It's a silly one. You may see like some eyes here and there. But my favorite thing to do with this slime, so I have made it before, is to take out all the googly eyes and make like a little design and then like crush it up, the little design, to see what it makes afterwards. So this is a really fun slime. Let's move on to the last slime. Alright you guys, I'm gonna make my last slime, which is the glow one. I don't think it's gonna glow, but we'll see if it does. So I added in my glue. Next, we have to put in some water. Alright guys, so I added in a teensy bit of water. Now I think I'm gonna make my slime yellow. Alright guys, so next up is the slime activator. I'm gonna add 1 to 2 drops, and I'll tell you guys how many it takes after I'm done.